Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into how you can effortlessly fix Premier members' credit union transfer errors and get back to seamless transactions fast. Welcome to our channel today. We are discussing a common issue many Premier members' credit union users face: transfer errors, and how to resolve them quickly. And simply first understand that transfer errors can occur for several reasons, including account verification issues, wrong transfer details, or temporary system glitches. Step 1. Check your account details. Begin by carefully reviewing the transfer information you entered. Make sure the account numbers, routing numbers, and recipient details are accurate. Even the smallest mistake can cause the transfer to fail. Step 2. Verify account status. Ensure your Premier member's credit union account is active and in good standing. Sometimes restrictions or holds on the account may block transfers. You can confirm this by logging into your online banking or contacting customer support. Step 3. Confirm available funds. Transfers require sufficient balance, so verify that you have enough funds in your account to cover the amount and any associated fees. Step 4. Inspect network and system status. On rare occasions, system maintenance or network problems can interrupt transfers. Visit the Premier member's credit union website or app to check if there are any alerts about outages or scheduled maintenance. Step 5. Retry the transfer. If everything looks fine, retry the transfer after short wait. Sometimes system interruptions resolve quickly, and a retry may go through without issues. Step 6. Clear browser cache or try a different device. If you are using online or mobile banking, clear your browser cache or try making the transfer from a different device. Sometimes technical issues are device or browser related. Step 7. Contact customer support. If the error persists, reach out to Premier members' credit union customer service. They can provide specific insights on why your transfer is failing and help resolve the issue promptly. Following these steps usually helps fix common transfer errors effectively and avoids frustration with your banking experience. Remember, double-checking your information and keeping your account in good standing are key to smooth transactions. Don't hesitate to seek support when needed and make use of digital tools offered by the credit union to monitor your transfers regularly. We hope this guide makes your next transfer seamless and stress-free. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video to stay updated on handy banking tips.